Then we have the dictionary data type, that is dict we have. So by using the dict, if you want to represent a group of values as a key value pair, then we should go for the dict. So in case of key value pair, so we have some, like if you know about some database, so like there is a column like a primary key column, and as there is another data column, like suppose student table is there, the student roll number is a primary key column, 101 student is identifying with the Ashish, 102 roll number is identified to the Prashant. So like this we have data. So if we have the key value pair of data, so that can be represented by using the dict data type. Okay, so how we can create the dict data type? Suppose we have a d1, okay, and we can create the key value pair. Suppose 101 is pointing to the, suppose, Ashish. Okay, now second, if my roll number is 102, this is identifying to the, suppose, Prashant. Okay, so we have, if we have a data like this. Okay, now let's check. Suppose 104 we have, and 104 is identified with the, suppose, Alok. Okay, suppose we have a dictionary like this. Okay, now we can directly print the dictionary, print dict. So if you want to represent a group of value, key value pair, okay, so we can use this. We have printed a d, it is d1. Okay, so data will be printed like this. Means if you want to represent a group of value pair in the form of the key value, so then we should go with the dictionary. So this is what we discussed about the collection data type today.